In today's video, I'm going to talk about the connection between your neck and your hands and how you use your hands. And if you haven't watched my previous video on this topic, and please be sure to watch it. So today I'm going to talk about how to fold your hands and how to actually fold your hands using soft hand, or what I call the jellyfish hands. So look at the center of your palm, right in the middle. So as you begin to soften and fold your hands, and there is the point where you actually see the folding starts to take place. And it's a very different way to fold your hands rather than just curling your fingers and making a fist. That's a very different strategy. But if you do pay attention and starting to softly fold your hands and look at the center of your palms, then you can see where the folding actually could take place. And I have a tissue paper or just a paper towel, and I'm grabbing a hold of the paper from the center of my palm. And this is a really nice way to practice your jellyfish hand or the soft hand, learning to grasp a paper or any object that you could fold it, you could grab it, you can practice that. So if you are holding onto the steering wheel, and you can learn to grasp and hold on to your steering wheel from the center of your hand rather than gripping with your fingers tight, right? So learning to connect with the steering wheel from the center of your palm using your soft hand or jellyfish hand. And feel the difference in the tension in your jaw, in your neck, in your back, even your back too. Make a tight fist, gripping the steering wheel, or lightly connecting from the center of your palm. Right? So learning to how to fold your hands, jellyfish hands. Right? So practice using the paper and how to grab hold from the center of your palm, and practice more jellyfish hands and feel better in your neck. So enjoy it.